Replace values in list using Python. I have a list where I want to replace values with none where condition returns true. For example, if condition checks bool item %2 should return. What is the most efficient way to do this?
Build a new list with a list comprehension. You can modify the original list in place if you want, but it doesn't actually save time. Here are Python 3.6.3 timings demonstrating the non-time save. And Python 2.7.6 timings.
Here's another way.
Riffing on a side question asked by the op in the comments, i.e. what if I had a generator that yields the values from range 11 instead of the list? Would it be possible to replace values in the generator? Sure, it's trivially easy. Just pass any iterable, including the result of calling the generator, as the first arg, the predicate to decide if a value must be replaced as the second arg, and let or rip. For example,
If you want to see more classical C++ scripting,